In today's video, I'm going to talk about the benefits of paper trading and why you should be using it as a new or advancing trader. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. Going to talk to you about what I love about paper trading and really why I think everyone should be using it if you haven't found kind of your style or your methodology, or if you're looking to explore new strategies. If you listen to the Steady Trade podcast, you'll hear Steven and I talk a lot about finding your pattern, finding your niche. And we quite frequently get the question, it's a good question, how do I find my niche? How do I find what works for me when I'm putting real money on the line, and maybe I'm trying a strategy and I'm refining it and I'm slowly bleeding my account with small losses. And small losses are part of trading. You're gonna have rough periods, you're gonna go into slumps, but the nice thing about paper trading is you don't take that small account on those rides as you tweak and test these particular setups. Now, the great thing about StocksToTrade paper trading is it's really, I like to say, it's as real as it gets, because what we do, there's many paper trading platforms out there and you can use any of them, but the cool thing about what we've done with StocksToTrade is it's tied to live market data. A lot of paper trading platforms will just take the end of day price, the opening day price, an average daily price, and kind of track your trade that way. The way we do it is if you place an order for 1,000 shares of XYZ, that stock actually has to trade 1,000 shares at that price for you to technically get filled on your paper trading order. So it's very realistic. You're not taking the average price, you're trading liquid stocks, and that gives you as true to real as it gets. Now, a lot of people will say, hey, there's no skin in the game, you're not risking real money, the emotion isn't there. While that is true, I say you try and kind of play, for lack of a better term, a mental trick on yourself. I mean, force yourself to say, you know, if this is a $3,000 paper trading account, this is it. You know, if I blow up this account, if I bring this $3,000 account down to $200, then I need to reassess what I'm doing. I need to rewrite my rules. I need to try different strategies. Don't be like, oh, it's just paper money. It's not real. It's like a video game. Treat it real and actually, you know, tie yourself to that account balance, even if it isn't a real dollar and cents account balance. And I think that's one thing that people overlook. They kind of act a little flippant about paper trading. They don't really put their heart and soul into it. And then the big thing is track these trades. And you know, if you make a successful paper trade, put that in your spreadsheet, put it in your tracking software, however you track these things, name your setups and see what works for you. And that's how you ultimately find your setup. And if you have a particular setup, say it's buying late day breaks, which is a VWAP hold setup I talk about a lot, and all of a sudden you took your $1,000 paper trading account and turned it into a $4,000 paper trading account in a couple weeks, then say, okay, now I'm gonna start risking real money. So use it to test these strategies, use it to see if it actually works, because a lot of us are wired differently. Some of us are just wired to be short sellers. Some of us are wired to be breakout buyers. So it's the best way to test that. And then really, if you've never shorted a stock, this is the kind of last point. If you've never short sold, especially these lower price stocks, and if you're not familiar with short selling, we've done several videos on the channel explaining it. Please, I implore you, if you've never shorted a stock in any time in your life, don't do it with real money. It is a high risk to reward setup. There's a lot of some of the best traders out there. Tim Grattani, Stephen Ducks, Tim Sykes, a lot of these guys, the best out there, are mostly short sellers, but it's a dangerous game. It's a risky strategy. Please use paper trading to test it, or any strategy. So again, make sure you're using paper trading with new strategies. Make sure you track every detail and see what really works. Sometimes You'll think this works, and you think A works, and it's actually B that works. Thanks a lot, and if you're using paper trading, and if it's worked for you, or even if it hasn't worked for you, maybe you're one of the doubters of paper trading, be sure comment below. We'd like to hear your input on how you've used paper trading, and if you think it's helped your trading and helped you grow as an evolving trader. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen here. We'd like to thank you for watching our videos. We really want to help you learn, grow, and evolve and become a consistently profitable trader. We're proud of the tools we built in StocksToTrade and want to help you maximize your success. Be sure to check out the other videos over there, like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.